We are at 8076 Buck Hill Road in Westernville. This is the exterior of the property. Roof is fine, nothing major that I can tell. Porch just needs some exterior painting. This is a yard, side yard. The lot goes well past that brush back there. It's an 8-acre lot. This is the backyard right behind the property. The back deck does need a little bit of work. Doesn't appear rotted. Just older. It needs painting. Steps could probably be repaired. Roof looks good back here. This is the front, there's the well. Here's the other side. This is the view looking out to the street. Interior living room. I'm not sure if that fireplace works. The interior is pretty good, just needs a sales clean. This is a master bedroom. Rugs are just a little dirty. Closet, and then a master bathroom. Again, just dirty. Cleaning, sales clean is gonna be done tomorrow. Shower. Then we have the dining area. Kitchen. Appliances are kind of beat up. Winterized. Sump pump's working. Or, I'm sorry, dehumidifier is working. There is a refrigerator. Bedroom off of the kitchen. And then a full bath. Toilet's a little rough looking. Shower. Again, needs to be cleaned. A little peeling paint up there. And then off the kitchen is the back breezeway between the garage and the house. Nothing major going on in here. I'll do the basement since I'm here. It's a little dark. There's no lights down here. Oil pump, not sure if that works. There's a furnace, forced air, hot water tank. Oil tank. I believe this is a generator box that the prior mortgager had for an electric fence in the backyard that no longer is there. Upstairs. Bedroom. Everything looks good in here. Closet. Wonderful bath. In the last bedroom. No major issues, just basically cosmetic. And it does need a cleaning, which I indicated will be done tomorrow. This concludes my tour of the property.